Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device using iTunes. So, to get started, obviously you don't need iTunes if you're using a Windows computer. Now, if you're using a Mac, then you don't actually need to download anything. Everything that you need is already pre-baked into the system. So on Mac, simply open up your Finder, meaning Finder, if you don't know what it is, it's basically like Windows Explorer. So basically where you see all the folders and stuff like that. And when you plug in your device, it will show up somewhere like right here. So from there, once you click on it, and just plug it in right now. There we go. So once we plug it in, give it a second, and in here we get notification that there is a new version of iOS. I'll select later for now. And normally, as you can see on iTunes, it will show up right here. And like I mentioned on Finder, it will also show up somewhere on the side panel, but it will be in Finder instead of iTunes. And again, once you click on the device right there, you will have the summary tab, which you want to go to. And in here, you will see Restore iPad. Now, I'll also mention that you can see right here way more tabs than you will be able to see on the Mac. Through Finder, you only see just a couple of those, so music and movies, I think like that. I don't think it's actually showing up in the Finder. It's only accessible to like music application and stuff like that. But it doesn't really matter. It doesn't change anything. So anyway, from here, select Restore iPad. And there's a little caveat. Number one, if you try to restore it for the first time, if you haven't done so, it will tell you that you need to disable Find My Device. And all you need to do is navigate into the settings on your iPad, select your account, and from here Find My, select Find My iPad, and toggle it off. Now, when you toggle it off, it will require a password for your Apple ID. So simply provide that, and then it will toggle it off, and you can proceed further on the computer. And additionally, if you do it for the first time, it will bring up a window where you basically press next, and I think download, whatever the window was saying. I don't exactly remember, but it's basically a download for the iOS. So you will probably need to wait like 20 minutes for it to finish downloading. If I remember correctly, for this iPad right here, the iOS size is about 5 gigabytes or something along those lines. So it will vary how long you will be downloading it, depending on how quick your internet speed is. I already went through it, I downloaded it, so we don't actually have to wait here. So yeah, let's just jump straight to it now. So select Reset iPad once you have the iOS downloaded, and you will have two options: either back it up or don't back up. The choice is yours. If you want to keep some things that are on this device, do back it up. If you don't want to keep anything, select don't back up. And then restore and update. There is no way of not updating the device if you're doing it through iTunes. It's just Apple's way of forcing you into a newest version, even if you don't like it. So as you can see, it's right now at the top extracting software, and then it's going to begin installing it, which at that point the tablet itself will turn off. And basically once you begin, it's straight up on autopilot till the end, till you see the setup screen. So I'm just gonna let it run and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.